So I decided to buy a fidget toy for my desk. This one's by a little company called Xbox. You may not know them, but you may know their holding company, Microsoft. The unboxing experience wasn't too intuitive to begin with, but once I got it pushed around, I really enjoyed the presentation. There's going to be a lot of ASMR in this video, so stick around and enjoy it. I like it. It comes with Duracell batteries, which I appreciate. I'll be doing a real-life test at the end of this video. Here's what's included. Not much. I really like the design. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. This is definitely something I'll want to keep on my desk and use when I need to. Follow for more content like this.